Hello, my name is Barbara from Brewster, New York. I was in excruciating pain with a knee and my back. I had spinal stenosis and I walked with a cane. I was in such pain, it was terrible. A friend of mine at church recommended that I go to Optimum Regenerative Care, and I decided to do that. When I came, I was influenced by the video that was shown, and I thought, rather than what the doctor suggested, my having surgery, I decided that I will give this a try, the stem cell therapy. I had it done about 5 weeks ago, and it was not painful to have it done. And over the course of these 5 weeks, I can tell you that it is a wonderful, wonderful therapy. I have no pain and I have more energy. I'm getting so much accomplished at home and outside the home, doing things. I've become more active than I have ever been, both with my church and with my family and friends.
Barbara, what was your pain level before you started?
It was probably 9.5.
Yeah.
I have to say I have no pain. When I wake up in the morning, I'm a little stiff sometimes, but as soon as I start moving around, it goes. And all I can say is, if you're considering having this done, I would highly recommend that you do it. It has been wonderful for me. I am 81 years old, and that's why I want to live as long as Mel Gibson's father.